Alright, check it out, yo. I figured it the fuck out. Airplanes really do not need fuel at all. They do not need fuel at all. Not even to take off. They do not need fuel at all. All airports are built on landlines. They fucking harness that energy for takeoff. They don't need fucking fuel to take off. They don't use fuel, period. They use the fucking energy to take off, and once they're in the air, ether.